Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video I'm gonna show different creative and beautiful houses designs. You can see different cartoons and you can see different beautiful houses, cartoon houses. So in this video I'm gonna show different amazing and beautiful wood and stones house art you can make easily at home. You can make different beautiful houses in your garden and you can make different paintings. It is very classy and amazing and I hope you like it. Then you like it, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and please share your friends and family members and don't forget to my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.